A classic preparation from the Awadhi kitchens of Lucknow, Dal Masoor Musallam is a unique dish. Made from masoor dal or whole red lentils, this is a delicious and healthy treat. So join me in my kitchen and let's get gobbledygooking. I have here 1 cup of masoor dal, and this is whole masoor dal or whole red lentils. The word musallam actually means whole, and that's where this dish gets its name. As a first step, I'll be washing the dal thoroughly with water at least 5 to 6 times or until the water runs clear. So I have washed the dal and now I have soaked it in some water. Now I'm going to cover it and let it rest for 3 to 4 hours. I'll move on to making some preparations. I'll finely chop enough ginger to yield 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. We need 2 types of onions for this dish. First, I'm slicing onions finely for making fried onions or berista. This is about 125 grams. Then I'll chop some more onions for the gravy, and this weighs 150 grams. Finally chopping 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves or cilantro for garnishing. Mint is a unique ingredient used in this dal, and I'll finely chop 2 tablespoons of mint leaves. I'll pound some garlic cloves to form 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. That's it. Preparation's done. It's been 4 hours and the dal has soaked and puffed up. I'll strain the dal in a pressure cooker and add 3 cups of water, which is just enough to cover the dal. Add some salt to help the dal cook. Lock the lid, switch on the gas on medium-high flame and wait for just 1 whistle. Do not overcook because we want the dal to stay whole and not become mushy. Wait until all the pressure has released by itself before opening the lid. This gives a little more time to the dal to soften. See the whole grainy texture of the dal? This is exactly how we want it for musallam. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter in a skillet. Once the ghee melts, add the sliced onions and fry for 8 minutes or until dark brown and crispy. You can use white oil instead of ghee, but Mughal dishes do demand some richness. Once the onions are fried, strain them and set aside for later use. In the same ghee, add 3 green cardamoms, 5 cloves and a 2-inch stick of cinnamon. Saute for 30 seconds and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds splutter, add the garlic paste. Saute for a minute or until the raw flavor of garlic goes away. Add the chopped onions and add some salt to taste. Saute till the onions are golden brown. The next step is to add some dry powders. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well. Add a dash of water if spices seem to catch or burn. Now go ahead and add the cooked masoor dal. Mix well with the masala. Let heat on medium-low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Then turn the flame to the lowest. Add 1/3 cup of well-beaten curd or yogurt. Add the chopped ginger. The yogurt adds a delightful creaminess to the dal, making it silky smooth. Cook for 5 minutes and then turn off the flame. Sprinkle the chopped coriander and mint leaves, which immediately add a burst of freshness and flavor. Add the fried onions as well. Scoop out the dal in a serving bowl. Garnish with some additional coriander leaves, mint and fried onions. Add some julienne ginger and squeeze a bit of fresh lemon or lime. Have it with some jeera rice or roti and feel like royalty. Do subscribe to our channel for more such unusual recipes.